So yes, currently this incident says that the billing rep. Can you see my screen? Is it
Yeah,
clear?
yeah. Is it clear now?
Yeah, so the billing rep is unable to approve or reject an activity for write-off approval processed by a customer service rep, account servicing group. He is in the role of account servicing group, customer service. Account
Okay.
serving role has authority limits of $25 for write-off. A request over the amount would be sent to the billing activity queue to be approved or rejected.
Okay.
So when the activity is approved or rejected, an error is occurring. User, this is the
Yeah.
customer service rep who
User
is not
customer
having
does
the
not
permission.
have permission to send notification only request activity own permission. Okay. He does not have the permission to own the activity.
So ideally, he should be able to write off a $25 amount, but he's
I did
not able to.
do it. If I'm correct, so if I understand the incident correctly, so what is happening is like up to amount 25 he can write off. Above that it should be sent to the approval.
Correct.
But when the activity is approved, or rejected and error is occurring, user Jacqueline, blah blah does not have permission to assign the item notification. Owning the items requires activity own permission. Can you show the error? Like, can you show the screenshot of this whether they might have that right?
Yeah. Oh, this again I have to log in. So this usually if I'm idle, it doesn't stay on. Just 1 minute. Yeah. Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see it. So there is an activity that is being an user does not have the permission to assign the notification item. Uh, okay, this is a hard stop error. Owning the item requires activity own permission. Yeah, so the error is like they have right approval limit till 25, but the still it's they are not able to approve the activity.
Correct.
But still it's asking for approval required. Okay, it's okay. We can approve. They can approve it and close it. But the
Okay.
problem here is like the activity, right? Go back to the screen, previous screen.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
The problem here is like it clearly states that owning the item requires activity own permission. So what is this activity own permission? We'll check that and we'll add it to the group or to this user. We should add this activity own permission to this group so that this issue will be resolved.
All right. Okay. And one more thing is obviously I cannot do it before asking the client because we have to follow this certain procedure. But where is that Excel sheet gone? Okay, just 1 second. So basically, and one more thing is like this is the original requirement. So we also have to analyze whether this is not a change request. It's what the actual requirement was. So just let me
Okay.
show it to you.
As a billing center, okay, let it open.
So here is the write-off.
Okay,
One
for an
second.
account, if a billing operations usually transaction been then approval like it should be created automatically the leadership approval for any account if executive for any account of conservation. Okay, go to the document control. They might have got document control and UI fields. They might have explained the procedure as well.
Yes.
So they don't have anything updated here. Okay, UI go to the UI markup. Yeah, this is what we need. So we have automated disbursements over. Okay, that is new. Okay. General generate approval activity to execute account queue within approval approval budget. In this option one, okay, contact user with authority. Basically, right, this is one thing that they didn't do. Thing is like right now they are the activity is being assigned, okay, but if they want to make an update on an activity, right, they should be a valid owner for that. I mean, like they should have this activity own permission to do it. Currently, they don't have it. Because of that, it is not, they were not able to do it. So what I'll tell is like this is not a change request. Why? Because they have a approval limit till $25, but
Correct.
the amount that they have right now is only $5. If they're saying above $40 I'm not able to do it, then that's a change request, not this.
Yes.
So this is like a valid ticket that they have raised, so that we'll fix on it. See, sorry, work on it and fix it.
Okay. And one more thing, just one more thing.
Yeah, sure, definitely, no
So
issues.
basically, there are two accounts. Here is again the $5, and this is $40.
$40 they should not attach that. $40 they don't have the authority to do it. Only for five up to $25 you can do anything. Above that they should not have the authority limit to do it. So
Okay.
that is what we have predefined, right?
Yes. And one more thing again, just one to make sure that we are understanding, because there is some more extra things inside. I'm just new to the systems, right? So it takes time for me to find the where is the but
Sure, definitely. Give me a minute.
yeah,
I'll
yeah, sure.
mute my phone. Customer processing pay plan change prior to late billing fee removing policy from customer rep processing pay plan change prior to late fee billing removing policy from delinquent system attempt to reverse late fee charge as expected, but rep does not have authority to do so. So approval case was sent to the leader. Activity cannot be approved since original rep does not have permission to approval required. Activity cannot be approved or rejected since original rep also does not have permission
Permission
to
to receive.
receive the activity back.
So this is that something that is additional in this incident. So I'm little confused here. Firstly, that is the $40 that you said. Yeah, obviously they should have not raised. Second is there's a pay plan change that he made before the renewal or prior to the late fee filling removing policy from delinquency system.
We'll do one thing, Ajendra. Prior to checking this, right, we'll check what is this activity own permission.
Okay. So for that, I need to go to the
Log
billing
into
center.
any of the environments as super user.
Not in my local, right? Uh,
Anything is fine in your local, also so fine. Local will be the local copy of all the data.
okay. Okay. The server is on. But ideally, I should be going to billing center, right? Because
Yeah,
the user. Yeah. Okay.
you should go to billing center only. Administration, business users, go to users authority limit profile. We'll check the roles and authority limits. Go to the roles. Mm, so basically, he will be under account servicing admin, MS support, integration admin. So who is the super? I mean, expand this description. Description the next to that. Expand that.
Uh, okay.
Let's see who has more access. permissions for admin access, billing, and okay. Mhm. Go to users, click on users. I mean, click on users there.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, okay. Search with username as SU. Oh, it's okay. You landed at that page only. Users. Go to users. Click on left side on the top.
Oh, okay.
Users. Yeah. You click on SU. Search. Click on search. Click on super user. Click on authority limits. They didn't define it. Go to basics. Click on that super user again in the bottom. Super user with full permissions. Okay. Um, Give me a minute. See, this is the button. Assign own trouble ticket. Assign. I mean, like there will be a permission like the system permissions.
Okay.
Expand this description so that we'll see. Own trouble ticket permission to. Okay, scroll down. Go to the next page. This is like up to create internal doc. Create internal doc. Uh, Scroll down. This is edit account. Okay. Go up.
Next page.
Yeah, next page.
Edit
These
account.
are all edit permissions. Um, Anything related activity we should see. Go to next page. We'll check whether is there a own permissions. Go till OGHO. Oh yeah, own activity. See, here it is. Own act permission to own an activity and set to desktop activity and to see the desktop activities page. This permission will be lagging for that users. Go to your local code. Local studio. I long back. It's a simple program only long back. Go to open the goes to Scratchpad. Goes to Scratchpad. Yeah. Okay. Like write a function like function ABC something like that. Function ABC space ABC. Uh, Open and close bracket and open that curly brace. Click on enter. Um, Give var space QQ. So first we'll query. Um, I need to. I mean, like just a minute. I'll just think through it.
Yeah.
First, need to get the roles. The roles which has this function type is equal to. Okay. Um, is equal to query dot make space capital. Or else like I mean, give some space after that equal to
Okay. And caps.
G. It's okay. No, small. GW dot
Oh, okay.
G, GW dot
GW dot
API dot database
database.
dot query q. Click on query. Yeah, query dot make. It should not show in red. I mean, like it should replace. Go back, delete it. Now click on Q there. Yeah, the first one. Yeah,
First one. Okay. Queries. Yeah.
second one. Query. Sorry.
No problem.
Query dot make. Make. Click on tab. Select the first one. Select the first one. Yeah. Role dot select. I mean, like, sorry, in not after that bracket dot select. Re-enter the role again. Role should be capital R.
Okay.
Okay. Dot select. Now delete this and dot select. Okay. Then I enter for open and close bracket. Go inside this bracket. Q in QQ
Q Q in.
space Q space
Oh, okay. Q space.
in space.
Okay.
Okay, it should be small in QQ. Open and close curly bracket there. After that, yeah. I, um, I go inside this curly brace of near that Q. Click on enter. If put if Q dot. I mean open and close bracket. I mean like the small better. If close it. I mean delete that Q and if open and close bracket. Go inside that bracket. Q dot. Scroll. System permission type check. Uh, roles. Q dot. Q dot
Mm,
Q dot role privileges. Check on privilege. I mean delete this role. Click on privilege. Privilege dot dot has match
has.
has has match. Click on select that has match. Yeah. ELT on dot.
ELT.
I mean go to that after that arrow. After that arrow,
Yeah.
enter ELT1. After that arrow. After that arrow. I mean, like you can if you enter ELT will come. Um, I mean, sorry. Click on backspace and now give a space. Uh, uh, Enter E. I mean, like
Enter.
input E. Input E.
Um,
Okay. Dot. Select the first one. Dot. Sorry, delete it. You should select the first one. EL. Select this ELT one there. Yeah. Dot. Uh, Permission and enter P. Permission. Yeah. Select that first one. Equal to um, give a space tc
PC.
t tc
PC.
underscore so what is that go to the UI. That one activity, right? We saw, right? Yeah.
Uh,
AC town.
AC town.
AC town is
So
equal to, you should go equal to tc and yeah, select this tc underscore AC town. Open and close bracket. After that last curly brace. Open a curly brace and that
this one.
after that after the AC town.
Okay.
After the comma, after that close bracket, after that close bracket, last one. Go to the end of that line. Open and close bracket. Go inside this curly brace. Enter. Print Q. Print
Print.
Q. 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 Only Q.
Oh,
Not
okay,
that.
clear.
Not that. No. Small Q. Small Q. Yeah. That's it. Okay. Now open your debug. This Open your debug mode here in the bottom. Open that. Delete it. Delete this all this code. Oh, now run that script. Run that goes to scratchpad. Duplicate bundle to goes to program. What happened? Your goes to this is not working. Goes to scratchpad.
Mm,
Your
uh,
goes to scratchpad is
oh,
not working.
everything looks
Let this code.
fine here. Yeah.
This code will work. Okay, copy this and keep it. So what it does is like it checks what are all the roles that have currently the permission to own activity. Okay.
Okay. So,
So
but
once you know, yeah, sorry.
on the UI, I cannot verify
UI
which.
verifying it, it's like you should. It takes a lot of time.
Okay.
So these are all the roles which has. So if you check here, these are all the roles which has permission to own an activity. Now that billing user, right, what they have reported, that user might not have this permission. So you should add this permission to that user. You should say it to the BA to you have to add after checking, right. After adding the permission, check in your local, login as that user, and check whether you're able to like write off an amount. If you're able to write off an amount, like if you're able to approve that activity, then the test case is a pass. So this is basically we'll be doing like a UI testing only, not any code testing here.
Okay.
So what you have to do is like you have to do these things, Gajendra. First thing is like you need to check whether that user role has this permission. That is the first thing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
If not, you should add the permission in the local, and you should log in as that user. What they have said.
Login as that user. I mean, so basically, what
Okay.
credentials do I use?
Okay. Go there. Go to the local. Search. You go to users. What is the username that they have given in the ticket? First name. Delete this
Uh,
username. Jacqueline. I mean, you should not give in the username. You should give in the first name.
yeah. Sorry. Jacqueline. Yeah.
Click on search. I mean, is it Jacqueline is the correct one? Go there. Go to the ticket and check.
I should be having it open. So first is Lana Cinderman, and another
You,
one
you can
is
you can use
Jacqueline
Jacqueline McCarthy. Use that McCarthy as well. We'll check.
Karthi. Mm,
If not, they might not loaded the McCarthy spelling MCC, I guess.
McCarthy. Okay. McCarthy.
Okay, it's not there. So these two users belong to which group? They have said, right? Go back. They belong to in the ticket they have mentioned, right? They have belong to which group?
Yeah, they belong to the account servicing group.
Okay, go there. Go to your local. Go to your BC. Go to your groups below that. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Uh, Account servicing group. There is no group for account. There is no such thing in your local. How come? How
Okay,
can we test it there?
let's do one thing.
Go
Maybe
to any of the testing environments.
I have the prod environment access.
Okay, then you can go there. I mean, like prod copyright or prod environment itself.
Environment itself. Yeah.
Oh, don't check it. Don't do anything there, Gajendra.
No, no, I'm not doing anything, but just to check.
Okay, sure. So that we'll make a replica of it in the local and we can work on
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Yeah. Usually, I'll never touch that. So
Prod PC.
this is the prod billing center. So first you said is groups, right? So in the groups also, it obviously it will be the replica of my local.
Mm, account servicing group. Where I could not find a group called account servicing group. What group they are saying exactly?
Roles is account servicing. Okay, it's in roles.
Oh, oh, they're saying about the rules. Then do, okay, click on that. It will be in your local as well, right? Go to your local. Don't will not do anything in here. Go to your local. I mean local server. Go to roles. Click on account servicing. Click on edit. So that permission is like what is the scroll down? Click on add.
Add directly.
Yeah.
Uh,
If it is already available, right, it will throw an exception. Go to scroll to the bottom. Yeah. Now TC own, that is the activity name, right?
do I search it from here?
Yeah, you can search it there. It will be on own activity. Yeah, scroll down. It will be in O, alphabet O,
Okay.
own activity. Okay, now update it. Yeah. So thing is like they don't have. Now we are adding this active I mean permission to them. Update it. So yours is a prod copy, right? Your local
Yeah, this is a
duplicate
prod copy.
key. See, we they already have this own account permission being added there.
Okay. So
So we need to check why this error is being thrown. So what you need to do is like go there.
but can we see here in this list?
Yeah, yeah. Click on next.
I think it must be there, right? Some
It must be
uh,
there. Go to the last page.
this is the last view policy. I don't see it here.
You do. I also don't see it here. Why it is throwing a duplicate key? So go back. Go to the previous first page.
Yeah, I'm in the first own activity. Okay, this is
It's
what
there,
we have
right?
added now.
Yeah.
No, this is I think we have added now.
But it should not throw a duplicate key exception.
Shall I do an update and see?
Yeah. Oh, now it's out. Now it has accepted. Now go. If you have access to, you go click on users. Yeah, click on user. Did you find any of the user? David. They have loaded the users, but these two users, I mean, they're not there. Okay.
Okay. So I guess we need to either give them this authority. So do we add it
After
here?
giving after yeah, if you click, you can add the user. Add user, search for that McCarthy. I mean, she's not there, right?
No, she's not there.
Okay. Return to account servicing. Uh, take any of this user and I mean, like you have the production copy, right? So you can
Yeah.
access that account in a local.
Okay. So it is E100.
Maybe. Uh, yeah, I think you don't have access. So we'll do one thing. You do one thing, Gajendra. Create an account in that process write-off. Okay.
Okay.
And in the write-off, right, we'll check and try to how to log in as a user, right? I'll tell you before that. Go to administration, users, and click. Go to that roles itself directly. Go to account servicing. Take any of this user. Copy the first name and last name, or else first name is enough.
Yeah.
Go to the users again. Search here. Okay, this is click on this asset. Click on the display name. Click on edit. So their username is copy this username. Their username is this 212609. This is their username. Copy this and keep a note of it separately.
Okay.
Enter. Go back to the UI. And now click on edit again. Update the password to GWGW. I mean, like password. Yeah, GW.
Yeah.
You can give any password.
Okay. GW I give.
I mean, like, no. I mean, you should give a password and a confirm password.
Oh, okay. GW and GW.
Click on update.
Update. Uh,
Meeting seeing address field. I know this is some error. Go to the basics. Add something.
duplicate key. Custom high low. Custom.
Um, uh, Give us custom itself.
Yeah. Custom.
Add the permission of uh, right of right off.
And then I gave a $25 here.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not able to edit this. Okay. Let me see. Limit number. Maybe I'll just give 3. And oh, okay. It's like that. 25.
Okay. Click on update.
Duplicate key
Duplicate key.
authority limit.
Oh my God. Then select medium or low.
Okay.
So now log out. Log out. Um, Log in with that the notepad file that you copied. Create an account using super user and try to access that account using this user
Um,
and perform all the transaction using super user and try to create an approval activity. Don't give I mean like now try to log in with that user.
okay.
So now you're able to log in, right? So now you logged in as that user Scrot. I mean like I didn't see the username.
Sat.
As actor. Click on that logout. See, you could see logout sat screener.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can similar ways you can check on it. Before working on the incident, right? Ask them what custom authority limit they have set for that particular users, because
Let
the system already have that own activity for that. Go to the production environment. We didn't make any changes there. Go to the production environment,
mm,
production PC.
yeah, 1 minute. Where is it gone?
Yeah. In production BC, click on next and the permissions. Permissions. Click on next. They don't have this own activity, right? We'll check it.
Uh, yeah, they don't have it here.
Okay, then they should add it there and they should check it. Add it there and they should test it. That's it.
So they'll add a own activity first here, and
And
then again go to the roles, the name of the sales rep. You have to add them as well, right?
no, no, this what this user, right? Click on users there on the side, roles, agency services, and click on that. Next tab is per users tab, right? Click on that. So the users will be added here, and the users will be having that permission. So whatever, so if the user with the role as account servicing will have the access to own activity right now. If you add that if you add that permission,
Okay, they are here.
they are here, right? So
Yeah.
now if you add, they does not have the authority to own an activity. If you add anything here, right now they will be having the access to own an activity.
Okay,
So
first I
that
have
this
to add
issue
it
will be
here
resolved.
in this.
Yeah, yeah. You should not add it. You should say to the business so that they will add.
Oh, okay.
before
Mm,
before telling them, right, test it in your local. Okay.
yeah, first I'll test it in the local. If I'm able to approve it, then I set up a call with them. Usually it's like that, right? Like you make them
Yeah.
explain what's happening, and then they take their
And
calls.
yes, correct.
Uh, yeah, I think it should be good then.